Hi guys, in today's video, I am showing you how to bold text in LinkedIn post. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is open your LinkedIn application. Once it will be open, look at the bottom of your mobile screen, and from these options, tap on this option, Post. Now write your post, and as you can see, it's a simple text. So, how can I bold it? Go back and open your web browser and search for text. Then open this first website. Now here in this box, write your post, or you can also copy-paste your post here. If I scroll down, now here you find many bold fonts. Select any one of these that you like the most, and tap on the option Copy, and it's copied. Then go back to the LinkedIn application and paste your text here. Now as you can see, it's bold text. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can bold your text in LinkedIn post. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.